on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be unboxing my brand new Ridge wallet. So as you guys may already know, I do have my own Ridge wallet right now. It's been something I've had for 2 years, just to give you guys an idea of how well it has aged, but I figured might as well get myself an upgrade. So this is the actual wallet itself, and without further ado, we're going to unbox it. Then there is the absolutely beautiful wallet there. As you guys can see, it also customized as well. But this is going to be the matte black titanium Ridge wallet. And wow, does it look amazing. And then it looks like we do have a screwdriver in here for anything we need to convert over. And of course the additional screws. And let's see, without further ado, we're going to get this all put together. So just comparing the two Ridge wallets, as you guys can see there, there is a clear difference between both of them. This is going to be, like I said, my aluminum version here that I've had now for a couple years. This is going to be the new matte black titanium version with my custom engraving on there. So without further ado, we are going to start by disassembling each wallet, which for that I'm going to do a little time lapse of, so I'll be right back with doing that. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and now reassemble my brand new Ridge wallet here with the money clip on board. So I'm going to have a time lapse of me doing that now. Alright guys, and then this is the final product, as you guys can see here. Got my money clip from my other Ridge wallet on here now, and man does it look awesome. But if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.